Hey creators, looking for the perfect music for your YouTube videos without breaking the bank? I've got you covered with some fantastic free tools that will help you create custom beats and tracks. Let's dive right in. First up, online music creation tools. Check out Soundtrap, amazing for creating music with loops and virtual instruments. Then there's BandLab, where you can collaborate and utilize built-in effects and instruments. Audio Tool is perfect for synths, drum machines, and effects. And don't forget Soundation, offering browser-based music production with loops and MIDI. All these tools offer incredible flexibility right in your browser. If you're more into desktop software, I've got some great options for you too. FL Studio is fantastic for both beginners and pros, letting you create custom tracks with ease. Mac users, GarageBand is your best friend, free, with loads of loops and instruments. And let's not forget Audacity, a free tool perfect for editing and creating music with samples. These desktop tools will elevate your music production game. Now, for those on-the-go moments, mobile apps are a lifesaver. GroovePad lets you tap sound pads to create music in various genres. Launchpad is ideal for beatmakers who love loop-based music, and BandLab Mobile allows you to create and edit music wherever you are. Create music anytime, anywhere with these handy apps. Next, let's talk about royalty-free music creation tools. Artlist.io lets you customize royalty-free tracks to fit your video's vibe. Epidemic Sound allows you to adjust stems for the perfect mood. And Mubare uses AI to generate music tailored just for you. These tools ensure your music is unique and royalty-free. Speaking of AI, check out these AI music generators. AIVA composes music for various styles and moods. Amper Music lets you customize tempo, genre, and mood for your background tracks. Ecret Music generates royalty-free music by mood, scene, and genre. Let AI handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on creating. Finally, don't miss out on free loops and samples. Freesound offers a vast database of sounds and loops. Looperman is perfect for downloading free loops and samples for your music production. Enhance your tracks with these awesome resources. Unleash your creativity and start making music for your YouTube videos today. Remember to review the licensing terms and ensure compliance with YouTube's copyright policies. Like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube tips. Catch you in the next video.